Hello friends, today in this video we shall see linear equations in two variables. It is a topic from 9th standard as well as 10th standard. So we'll see the basics and we'll see how to solve the equations. We try to understand what is linear equation. We have seen equation of the form 2x plus 3 equal to 5. This is a linear equation because this represents a line. If we try to draw the graph of this, see what do we get. Solving this we get 2x equal to 5 minus 3 is 2 and so x equal to 1. Now when we say x equal to 1, we can see many points have x coordinate 1. On x-axis this is 1, 2, 3. All the points having x equal to 1 are this point, this is x1, y1, this point x1, y2 and so on. So if we take all these points satisfy the condition x equal to 1. And so we say equation of this line is x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 or this represents a line and so it is called a linear equation. Now in this equation we have seen there is only one variable. Let us consider an equation with two variables. What if x plus y equal to 5? I have taken very simple example. Two variables. Now what is the solution of this equation? Such a method is not applicable for solving this equation in two variables. Let us try to find some solutions. We suppose that value of x is 0. Now there are two variables. We do not know any value. We assume one of the value. So let us take x equal to 0 and solve this. Check what do we get. 0 plus y equal to 5 and so y equal to 5. So if x equal to 0, we get y equal to 5, that is 0 comma 5 is solution of this equation. We check for x equal to 1. In this equation, if we put x equal to 1, what do we get? 1 plus y equal to 5 and solving we get y equal to 4. So we are getting the other solution 1 comma 4. Here we have selected values of x. Is it possible to select value of y? Let us check. Suppose we take y equal to 2. We can select any value. We select y equal to 2. What do we get? In this equation we get x plus 2 equal to 5 and solving we get x equal to 3 and so x equal to 3 is the value of x and the solution becomes 3 comma 2. This value x equal to 3, y equal to 2 satisfies this equation. So we say 3 2 is the solution of this equation. 1 4 is the solution of this equation. So in this way, how many solutions can we get? Can we imagine? We can select x equal to 4, x equal to 5, x equal to 6 and so on. Go on changing x, we will get different values of y, or go on selecting y, we will get different values of x. How many such solutions do we get? There is no limit for getting the solutions. We get infinite number of solutions. Now if we want to draw all these solutions in a graph, let us check what do we get. We draw a coordinate system. On x-axis we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On left hand side we can write minus 1, minus 2 and so on. On y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and negative y-axis minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So let us plot these points. 0, 5. 0, 5, x coordinate 0. So point lies on y-axis. 0, 5 is one solution. 1, 4, x1, y4. So the solution is this point 1 comma 4. The other solution is 3, 2, x3, y2. We get this point. And students, see, if we join all these points, If we join all these points, we can see they are on the same straight line. and every other point on this line will satisfy the equation. Let us check for this point. Can we see this point is 2, 3. Now we didn't obtain this value. We could have obtained if we put x equal to 2. But we can see here this 2, 3 satisfies the equation. Also 5, 0 satisfies the equation. 4, 1 satisfies the equation, and so on. So these are infinite solutions for a linear equation in two variable. We have taken this equation. Now similarly students, we take another equation, again linear equation in two variables. Let us take another simple equation, 2x minus y equal to 3 suppose, or we get 4 here, 2x minus y equal to 4. This is again a linear equation in two variables. How many solutions we can get? Infinite. Let us check. We put y equal to 0. Now I am directly writing the solution. I put y equal to 0. So what do I get? 2x minus 0 equal to 4. That is 2x equal to 4, and so x equal to 2. So 2, 0 is one of the solutions. I take x equal to 3 suppose. If x is 3, now check what do we get. 2 3s are 6 minus y equal to 4. We take y on right hand side. We take 4 on left hand side. 6 minus 4 is 2. And so we get y equal to 2. If we put x equal to 0, what do we get? X 0. So we get minus y equal to 4. So y equal to minus 4. Many solutions we can get. Let us plot these points on the graph. 2, 0. Where is 2, 0? This is the point 2, 0. 3, 2. This is the point 3, 2. I mentioned this point here, 3, 2. And 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 should lie on y-axis. So this is 0 minus 4. Now I join these 3 points and see they are on the same straight line. So this first line is the graph of x plus y equal to 5, and this second line is the graph of 2x minus y equal to 4. So students, this is one of the methods of solving the equation. In 10th standard CBSE as well as state board, we get this question for 4 marks. Now it's a 4 marks question, and that is very easy. What we have to do? We have to solve this equation. We have to get 2-3 solutions for this equation, then some 2-3 solutions for this equation. We have to draw both the graphs, and both the graphs will intersect each other at some point. That is the common point. Now see, 3, 2. 3, 2 is solution of this equation, and 3, 2 is the solution of this equation. So this is common solution of these two equations. This is called the solution of simultaneous equation. Why simultaneous? We solve these two together. एक साथ हम इनको solve करते हैं. We solve them simultaneously. So these are called simultaneous equations in two variables. And for these two equations, we get 3, 2 as the common solution. And this is called graphical method of solving a linear equation. Students, you need to practice 4-5 questions on this topic. Very easy. You can easily draw these graphs. You have studied this in 8th and 9th standard, how to plot the points and how to draw the lines. And this will give you good score. If you have any queries, any doubts regarding this topic, you can contact me on the number given in my description.